everybody, welcome to Do or Die 3 here on Jason Explains Things. We're gonna try to ride our mini bike Camo Joe 100 miles. I pre-ran the course last night. The chances of actually making 100 miles are quite low, but we're still gonna try because we're dumb. Join us. And I am now taking the barrel. Smart. Oh, there you go.
Annual Washington Minibike Enduro Isolation Violation. Woo! The course start finish is right there. Any place you see, the course is pretty well cut, so if you see a trail, you're pretty much following it. If you see tape, like a flagger's tape, follow them. No open containers of alcohol on track. Yeah, I know.
Yay. Editor's note, the reason why they brought up no alcohol while riding is because last year my daughter almost got run over by a drunk guy on a quad. So I really appreciate all the organizers for taking that seriously and enforcing rules. And to the people that booed him for saying that, grow the hell up. Is it rolling?
It's rolling.
Okay, hold on. This is important. Yeah. I was gonna do this last year and I never did.
Okay.
My brothers, I see in your eyes the same fear that would take the heart of me. A day may come when the courage of men fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship, but it is not this day. An hour of wolves, of shattered shields as the age of men comes crashing down, but it is not this day. This day we fight. By all you hold dear on this good earth, I bid you stand, men of the West! Yay! Yeah!
For waffles!
For waffles!
Need you to give me your glove. 28.
28, all right.
Jason, don't suck. We're relying on you.
Some of you may die.
Okay, I think the belt's getting really hot. Chain is good. Oh, the hills are just like this. It's crazy. There's one point where you can go up like a crazy hill climb and then a path off to the right.
Okay.
Take the path off to the right. It's fine. It's just the belt's just getting hot. Living the dream. It was actually really fun. Where are you, Chris? We burned a belt.
We burned a belt?
Yeah.
Okay, let's swap it.
Thoughts, Chris?
It was good.
It ran great. It ran awesome. First climb, we were going up and just started losing power. I looked down and the shroud was just pouring smoke.
Kid figured out the track finally.
Oh no.
There he is!
Oh. This run really hot.
Really hot?
Really hot.
We're gonna lose the cover. Let's swap it with the other used one. Okay, okay. How is it, dude?
Dude, that thing is like awesome.
Awesome, okay. Thanks. Hello, trees. Thanks. Nice job, Camo. Woo-hoo-hoo! Chain came off. Oh, and I lost the tool bag. Oh, well, I got my Leatherman. Lost the tool roll, chain came off. Let me grab it after I do this. Find the tool roll! Find it!
What'd you do?
I lost the tool roll. Someone else is to blame. Where's my tool roll, Chris? Oh! Yeah!
We got it.
Dude! The belt's crap again.
I did not want to climb that last hill whatsoever.
Everyone bless the last new belt. Bless it.
Bless. Praise be.
Blessed be the last new belt. Do another one for 28. Boom.
Number one on the hearts, bro.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. We're trying. Yeah. You got it. So, where was the tool roll, Chris?
We found it pretty early on. It was before the first hill. So,
oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready for adventure, Nate?
I think so. I think I'm ready for all.
Watch out for the sticks.
Son of a Jason, you're the I am never gonna do a clean lap.
Find my tool.
Do it again.
Do it again.
You better find it. I will find it.
Better find
I'll
it.
keep finding it. I want to change rotation. I'm done.
There you go. Go ahead and kill it. I can fix that. Probably. Don't. Yeah! Awesome, guys. We have finished 10 laps. We're on our 11th right now. So we've done over 50 miles. After 11 will be 55. It is almost 5:30 p.m., so we are not gonna finish 100 miles even if we can, because we're gonna run out of daylight. But we are going to try to beat Camo Joe's personal best and my personal best, which was, I think, 63 miles. So we're gonna try to get to 65 or 70, pretty much until the sun goes down. Nice job, Mike.
New belt for sure.
New belt? Okay, yeah. New belt. New belt! Why didn't you find my tool roll? How could you do this to me?
Wow.
Yeah. That is great.
We might be slow, but we're not dead yet.
I think he died though. He might be dead. Oh, no, he's standing there.
No, he's not dead. Guys, the winner is coming through right now, 100 miles. All right. Come on, old girl, hold together. I do not know what's going to happen at that race, but what I do know is that I am incredibly lucky, fortunate, blessed to be doing it. So much has happened since the first time I tried to do this. Layoffs, injuries, lockdowns, dark times, happy times, deaths of friends. I'm thankful for all my awesome friends. I'm thankful for my amazing wife. I'm thankful for my amazing kids, my amazing extended family. I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful to my church. I'm thankful to my pastor. I'm thankful for everybody who's kept me going when I didn't have any hope. If any of you are out there and you feel like there's no hope, that your ship has sailed, that your time in the sun is over, if you can't keep up your end of the bargain, you feel like you're a failure, I'm here to tell you that help, redemption, salvation, all of that is out there for you. All you have to do is ask for it. That's what I did, and that's why I'm still here. All right, hold together, baby. Hold together. Close the track?
Yep.
So we ran the longest.
Yep.
We didn't go the farthest, but we ran the longest. Woo!
Good job, man.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Final thoughts?
That was dumb.
That was dumb?
That
was awesomely dumb.
That hurt. That hurt a lot.
My butt hurts the most.
It hurt my soul.
Chris?
A little bit of a crick in the neck, but other than that,
Neck?
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Michael?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Good.
A bit of a bumpy ride.
Thank you so much for watching Do or Die 3. Until next time, God bless. Don't forget to yourself.
You are God, you say